Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can watch and save videos of others to watch them on YouTube. So to do this for free, the only option would be to just go ahead on your favorite video and save it to any of your playlists, like watch later and so on and so forth. If that's not an option for you, the only thing would be to download it. And to do this, you of course need YouTube Premium, but you can just start a trial and try it for 1 month. Now, the best thing is that you not only get to download and enjoy videos offline when you're traveling without your internet, but you will also get ad-free videos and background play. So there are a lot of perks of YouTube Premium. Just try it, download your video, and you will be able to find it in your library. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.